Love to ask non-Filipinos if they have tasted Filipino food, and chances are they would say pancit, lumpia. And when they say lumpia, they mean lumpiang Shanghai, and that is what I'm going to teach you. Hello everyone, my name is Malou Perez-Nievera. Welcome to Skip to Malou, Cooking with a Filipino Accent. I am excited to share with you today a recipe from my cookbook, but it actually came from the grandma of my husband we lovingly call Mommy Dory. Mommy Dory is a force to reckon with in the kitchen. In fact, whenever I make her dishes, I could hear her voice on how she instructs me to do it the proper way. Lumpiang Shanghai is one of those dishes that she has specific instructions on how to do it. I hope Mommy Dory doesn't mind, but I kind of tweaked the procedure. This is my take on Mommy Dory's Lumpiang Shanghai made easy. Are you ready? Let's do it! So the first step that we're gonna make is to make the filling. Whenever I make Mommy Dory's dishes, I could hear her voice. And her first instruction usually is, ihanda lahat ng ingredients. So here are all the ingredients. No worries, I'll list the ingredients down below. But then she would patiently chop everything. But I told you guys that I'm gonna make it easy for us. So I'm going to use our handy dandy chopper. This is one thing that I love to use. I put everything there. Carrots, use the peeled one. No need to slice it. Water, chestnut. All we need to do is to chop it like so. In 2 seconds, we're done. There you go. Easy peasy, right? So now we set it aside. Note that do not over chop it, otherwise it's gonna be watery. And then the next thing that we want to do is do the same thing with the shrimp. We want to finely chop it as well. So let's use the handy dandy chopper again. And there you go. Our mise en place done. And all we need to do is mix this all together with our ground pork and then with the shrimp that we also chop. And now let's add the umami flavor. First off is the oyster sauce. We mix it again, toss it all together lightly and gently. Next one is this egg. Just crack it like so and then mix it again. Make sure that the egg is broken, of course. And then let's dash in there some sesame oil. Lastly, we do the salt and pepper. Guess what the next step is from here? Well, if you guessed that we're going to roll it in a wrapper, you're wrong. Because guess again, I'm going to cook the filling. Yep, that's the next step that I'm gonna do. Because one, I want the filling to be perfectly cooked so that when you fry, it eliminates the guesswork whether the inside is cooked or not. Two, you could also control the taste as you could season it as you cook it. And three, as you can see, this is a big batch and I plan to freeze the rest of the Lumpiang Shanghai for other meals. So cooking it will eliminate oxidation while I'll be freezing it. Note that I didn't use any cooking oil. All I did was to put the pork into the pan and I am actually using its own rendered fat to cook it. We're trying to reduce the liquid until it's kinda dry. And I think it's already dry. Now we set it aside to cool down. So while our filling is cooling down, as you can see, our lumpia wrapper or spring roll wrapper is square. So in order to facilitate easy folding, I would like to quarter it like so. We have our filling ready, and then this is cornstarch dispersed in water to seal our lumpia. We begin to rock and roll. Let's start wrapping. This is about a teaspoonful. You could add some more, but make sure not to overfill it. Also have a little space on the sides. We seal it with the cornstarch dispersed in water. Roll it like so. That's it. And then let's do the rest. And in true Mommy Dory fashion, she wants it bite-sized, so we cut it into two. And we're coming to a close. We want crispy, crunchy lumpia, right? So this is crucial. Our oil should be at 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have any thermometer, you could use a wooden spoon, and if bubbles gather around your spoon, like so. We are ready to tango. We fry them batch by batch. Do not overcrowd them. Yep, even our lumpia needs social distancing. Just kidding. But the truth is, since the filling of this lumpia is already cooked through, we could remove the lumpia in just like a minute or two, or when the skin turns light brown, like so. Because we don't have to worry if the filling is cooked. It's a worry-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. And one thing I like about it is that it freezes well, so that when there is an impromptu gathering, we could always take it out from the freezer and we're ready to fry them. No need to even defrost it. Meanwhile, we got an impromptu invite for an impromptu gathering like this. I had the Lumpiang Shanghai to the rescue, and they love them. Take a listen.
But the crispiness comes first and then it shatters.
Wow!
Releasing all the meaty juices.
Okay,
wow! And I can taste garlic and onion and spices. And it all comes together in a finish.
Oh wow! Okay, let's try the wine now. Describe the wine.
Describe the wine.
I thought you were describing the wine.
I love it because it reminds me of home. It reminds me of the old sukang paumbong in Bulacan, because I'm from Bulacan. Crispiness of the lumpia with the sourness of the vinegar actually goes well together. I would not even touch the sweet and sour sauce.
And just like that, Lumpiang Shanghai is a great way to win the hearts of newfound friends. I hope you have enjoyed this segment as much as I did. Before I drink this up and I get buzzed, I want to say thank you for watching this segment. I hope you like or subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to click on the bell so you get all the notifications when I post. Hanggang sa muli, this is Malou saying, that's sarap!